Need painted beads for a project? I'm going to show you how to paint beads with a full coverage that look beautiful for any project. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. I've got the supplies that we're going to be using laid out on my table. We need a cardboard box, our wood beads of course, and then the colors that you want to paint your wood beads. I'm doing mine in 3 different colors because I have a specific project in mind, and then a clear sealer. And then we're going to use some wire, scissors, and a craft knife. I'm going to start by cutting off these flaps on our box. We don't need those, so I'm going to remove them. I can take my craft knife and cut some edges into the side of my box. And then I want to take my wire and cut it just a little bit larger than my box. And then I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to put some bends in it. And this will help hold those beads in place if there's little bends in the wire. But don't worry, we aren't going to leave the wire like that. We can then straighten it out. Then we can string our wooden beads onto our wire and then put our wire in those little slots. I'm going to place my beads in my spray paint shelter, and let's start with our yellow spray paint. We're going to apply one light coat and then turn the beads and spray the backside. And then we're going to let this dry for about 10 minutes. Once dried, we're going to give another light coat of the yellow spray paint to all sides. Once our second coat of yellow spray paint is dry, we will go in with our clear sealer. Then I'm going to repeat those steps for my other colors, starting with the dark green and then the light green. Here are the beads that we started with, and these are the beads after they are painted. Don't they look awesome? They are well coated and they have a bit of gloss to them, and they just look fantastic. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to visit my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.